Welcome back everybody to another YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to break down how I made $1.9 thousand across my 3 alpha futures accounts. Now without further ado, by the way, again I'm recording this for like 5th time, bro, because I just keep talking over myself. Just can't help it, okay? So coming to the day, super bullish. Why? We have super obvious drawn liquidity. These like, what do you call this? Smooth highs or whatever. If I'm going to go on my Discord, usually I do a whole ass commentary behind my ideas, behind my bias as to why I'm bullish, why I'm bearish, or what I'm kind of looking for, right? My framework or whatever. But today I was just like, okay, we're bullish, bro. I just said one word, we're bullish. Why? It's so obvious. My bad. I didn't want to flex the journal, but anyways, only thing which I really marked up on the Discord was this. You can't see it because this is the daily time frame, but this is a 4-hour gap, this lower line, and then these 4-hour highs, which are just like super obvious, okay? So the Travaliga which I'm talking about is this one, this 4-hour gap. If I'm gonna go on the 1-minute time frame, replay the price, like the bias is just super clear, okay? But if I'm gonna go on the market open time, what do we do, right? Even though like the bias is super clear, super obvious, like you just want to see something happen, So first we have a little bit of a manipulation to the downside. We tap the 4-hour gap. If you are trading inverse Travaliga gaps as your only model or whatever, and you took this inverse Travaliga gap trade to the upside, I can't blame you. But like this is such a perfect of a setup. Like you tap a higher time frame, not hourly, not 30 minute, not 50 minute. You tap 4-hour gap, 4-hourly gap, and you have a 1-minute inversion with volume to the upside. Like this is a perfect scenario, and it's too perfect. You know what I mean? Like this is too perfect. It just feels wrong to take this. It's like a bait. You know what I mean? So if you took this and you lost on this, like I don't know what to tell you, because I knew this is gonna fail just because it is too perfect. You know what I mean? Like, and the thing is, like, you enter so early on, and within the first 5 minutes of bro, within the first 5 minutes of market open, you can get manipulated so easily, and that's the reason why this setup failed as well. Because like, you're entering when the NYC opens, and this is what happens, right? This was just what happens, and it immediately failed. Obviously, we had a little bit of a rebalance to the downside, and then we start getting bought up, right? But in this perfectly fits the scenario. So at this point, I'm already watching the higher time frame is 5 minute, 15 minute. Obviously, I saw that we tapped this 5-minute gap, but I'm not too worried about taking pattern trade shorts because like the bias is super obvious. Okay, we tap a 1-minute gap, see a reaction immediately, but I just want to be a little bit more patient, and I just want to see a little bit. Like at this point I knew we were going to the upside, but I just still wanted to see a little bit more information, right? Looking here, I just waited for this 5-minute to close. Okay, 5-minute closed, which is where, right here, the 5-minute closed right here, and this is where my entry was as well. Okay, right here, stops below here, and my TP all the way up here. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. This was the trade. Okay, I'm gonna go here again, just replay one candle, five micros, just like that. This is the position which I took. Like at this point, bro, being up here, I already knew like when this wick gets broken, which is the only thing being protected in this gap. If this gets broken, like immediately, you're just gonna see a straight push up. Okay, so again, when break even on these highs, these internal highs, so at this point I was obviously already break even. What do? Just smash my TP directly. Like perfect fucking delivery to the upside. Like, I mean, this is one of those days where it's like, bro, this is just a pure perfection. You know what I mean? Like, this is fucking perfect. So, yeah, and like looking back now on the hourly time frame, 30-minute, the way you put in this crazy wick and then you flip, fucking perfect. You know what I mean? 4-hour time frame, the same thing. Liquidity phase, fucking tap the imbalance and just like flip. Wow, perfect, picture perfect setup. You know what I mean? So, and since then we haven't done much. We really haven't hit any of these highs, and I'm still worried about these ones. But I think since you already took this one, these ones should get hit as well. but I'm not gonna predict anything. I'm just gonna react to what the market is gonna present tomorrow. So that's about it, boys. Thank you everybody for watching this, and I will see you tomorrow. So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. So peace out and have a good one.